Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change text size and scaling on Discord. So launch your Discord and click on user settings, click on appearance, scroll down and here you'll find this chat font scaling option, and from here you can increase or decrease your Discord font size. So as you can see, it's bigger now, and I'm gonna making the font scale smaller, selecting 12 pixel, and that's how you can make text size small. And to change your space between message groups, you can increase or decrease this level from here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.